Hello everyone, my name is Paviter and I'm gonna display my project today for COMP2007 Enterprise Computing. Okay, let me play the screenshot here. Okay, so that's my information here and I'm just gonna next page. Today I'm gonna discuss about overview, sizing, brand, framework, membership, authorizations, and project links about this project. So just gonna next page. I made this website as a sample of a college and its registration system. I have been taking care of both admin and user level. So admin has their own access and the user has its own access. So as example, if admin offer anything, so just admin can add on website. So it's kind of user cannot make any modification, just user can view the data. So it's pretty much simple website for a college. So I will be display step by step all things to you. Sizing, so sizing, I spent 32 hours to design this website, and these are the particular options for what time I spend on what part. Brand and logo. So nowadays brand and logo is very important part of any business or any type of website to make it like more good. So I use Photoshop to design this logo myself, and I choose the name Blue River College for this project website. Okay, I can show you what type of website I made and how it looks like. Let's go to this Windows page. I'm using Mac, so it's visit other parts, so it's gonna be pretty much slow. Be patient. Okay, so I deploy on Azure as well. So Blue River College Azure's website.net and go. Hey, that's my website here. Put my logo here. It's also work for bring anyone to home page. See login page here. You can log in, register, and if you need help as well, you can click this one. It's for normal, like as guest, like guest option. I just give few options here, like campus, about us, and contact page, email, and social media. So if we go down here, just use font awesomes and social media links and privacy and use terms here. Okay, so that's the sample of my website just without login. Before login, so show pretty much like this. I use slider as well here, we just jumping one picture to second picture. Go back to presentation. Okay, framework, I use Bootstrap and jQuery, font awesomes, and some other plugins. So design is very important because it's put a life in your stuff, and use slider as well with some couple good pictures. So it's kind of good live slider put on this design. So database tables. Uh, this is the kind of rough design of tables. I made 5 tables and each connected each other, and I show you real data model on Visual Studio. Go back to Visual Studio, and here we go. Program, courses, instructor, enrollment, and student. Pretty much all are interconnected with our information perspective. Okay, go back to PPT. Memberships. So I do have two type of membership. One is admin and second is user. So admin has authority to add, move, delete, edit data, and it can read further records, everything, and it can show you how it's work. Go back to website. Just gonna log in as the admin now. Oh, here we go. You say like sign up option as well if you don't have account. Okay, let's log in into website and show hello admin is greetings from website. It's gonna be same everything from bottom, but you're gonna see a little different here. My private name gonna show these further options, way more options rather than a guest. Register a program here. Admin has this access rather than any other user or student or random user. Admin can add, remove, or modify any database here. Edit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you example like because okay, so edit, so you can update here. I'm gonna show you example like how to add a new record. So I'm gonna just add a program as example. What I choose here. Business administrator. I think so. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Try here. 3 years. Expenditure $30,000. And what type of course is it? Is full-time course. So I can add this one and insert. Okay, so you see how it's display here, business administrator with all details. Same as it is like other options here. Gonna add courses as well. All other options working like this, they're not any difference, just except one difference. Okay, so business, not sure about business courses. I just gonna business and marketing and credits for 3 credits, and gonna see I can this is the option when I see the courses are tables are connected each other. So it's gonna see here is this course for business administrator and type here full time and just insert data. Once we see here the course or you see the course ID here 4007, and this business administrator and full-time grade 3 details for courses. This here we go, and pretty much other options are similar, and this course is student everything similar. Here different thing is view data program. So this thing option, you remember how we had business administrator, so we able to retrieve here on this table same as it is. I do have other options like courses. When you retrieve this one, you see this one course ID 4007, business and marketing grade 3, program ID 1010 full time. If we go back to just verify if it's right, the course ID is 1010, so it means retrieving everything very good, like didn't know any mistake. So user list, so it's gonna show you how many users already registered on our website. Just the admin can see this one. And okay, so I'm gonna log out from here, go back to normal options. See everything gone. So let's go back to PPT PowerPoint. Okay, so user has that was admin and that's a user. User can just view such things, and he's not authorized person to add remove data on based on the official rules. Going to show you this option as well when you log in as a I have the second account designed already here. This just put my name pad like nickname, so it's gonna show you greetings, log out, all options are the same as it is. So a user can view this data same as it is at admin, and I just put bar for some options. Like user cannot see this option, like how many user register on the said like admin stuff, so it's not able to see this one. So same as it is, like if user try to add this register for courses or stuff, it's not gonna give. I just like try to redirect this one to other page. I have couple bugs with that because I leave like it as it is. When I try to use like response dot redirect on that particular page, I have like couple bugs, so I know what exactly, so I have to do troubleshooting, but in meantime I leave like it is as it is. So pretty much I will be done that stuff in future as well. So if I try those options, so my error handling page start working, so I'm not sure what exactly wrong over there. So this is the role of user on this website. So go back to presentation PowerPoint slide. Okay, so here next is function. I use scaffolded method, idiot scaffolded method for bring the tables for like program courses for modification over there. I add or remove that option over there. That is based on scaffolding. ADO.NET.entity data model used for bring tables connected to Visual Studio. And grid view use grid view and data configure for view the data, retrieve the data on tables, and some other functions as well. Authentication and role-based authorization. So admin data is sites are secured properly. No one access to bring should what the view that particular options without signing. Guest can just retrieve on data based on like show you before login whatever is showing here. Give you an example how what I'm talking about. As example, if you try to visit to that program option here, like this is the main folder where I put my program courses student options. So if somebody try to get in directly, that person has to log in. Without login, it cannot visit further. That's the security, and I can tell you what I used to what I did to make it secure. I use this option. I block this program folder and user folder here, so nobody can get this access. So you allow user just admin, deny users everyone. So without logins, nobody can jump on those pages. So here next, I successfully deployed this website on Microsoft Azure. So that's the link already I showed you before I start this one. And I committed step-by-step whole project on GitHub, how I did and what part how to fix error, everything as it is showing on GitHub. So further possibilities, dual logins. I'm gonna work on future about dual login. I'm gonna make two database and user based and admin based logins, so anyone can log in and get the access. So the data retrieve in different ways. So what it means, we're gonna use different function to retrieve all the tables or database or data and different way using like not using grid view. We're gonna find new way as well. Gonna add some user access on data. As example, we do have our using college banner, so it's gonna put some option. Anyone can add courses, drop courses. This type of access I'm gonna put as well. Blog, news, and events and library options I'm gonna put further. anyone can comment on news or whatever I post on college website, and gonna add library option to add books, find books, this stuff. Before I say thanks all, I'm just gonna display a little bit about website or some option I use. Okay, so this is the registration page. Anyone can register from here, and that's the same here. If we will log in and click on the sign up option, it's gonna bring you those pages, and pretty much I put some knowledge about campus using font awesome, and about us page as well here. About us college, a little bit like I use HR tag to display these lines to make it separation. Contact us page, email us, and one of social media here. Let me log in as well and show a little more things if I'm missing something here. So it's gonna display academic. I show you this one, I show you this one, show you this one as well. Okay, so help. It's gonna be give you some error sometime. I'm not why it's working this time. Yeah, so help if anyone need help, so you can fill this form and submit. If we can get in touch within 24 hours and contact us, and we're gonna work on those two pages. And pretty much I show you everything. This logo bring you back. Social media is gonna bring you to my Facebook, same as it is. And policies, yeah, here's your policies. Privacy policies about online account, permission to use website, business. Like we don't have any business, it's kind of assignment, so I'm just displaying on privacy policies. Term to use, it's gonna be pretty much ugly because I didn't get time to design this one, but I put this one here. I'm gonna show you error handling page as well, how error handling work, like our error page. I put temporary link here, which is gonna give us some kind of error. Yep, page not found. So it's error handling page using this. Was I didn't, on that particular link I put something as mistake, so I can show you error handling here. So error handling is gonna work as well, like if you put anything wrong, like as example here, default dot php, because I don't have php page, so it's gonna error handling work here. So pretty much done, and same as for these stuff, I'm gonna work further. And thanks for watching this video, and especially thanks Tom, he gave us good experience about these type of stuff. So thank you, have a good one.